The design I'll be working on is called the Axial table, and I believe it was created by Andrew Lang, who I'll leave a link to in the description if you want to learn more. It has plenty of storage for books, and the geometry is quite simple, but the detail that caught my attention is that there's no fixed orientation. It can basically be turned any way you want, which is pretty handy as it can be used in all kinds of creative ways. And in my case, that's brilliant, as it means the books will be visible from all angles at all times, as a constant reminder of all the stories I've been ignoring. And to top it all off, it seems to be both affordable and beginner friendly, which is probably a good thing, considering there's reason to believe that the slope we're about to climb might get slippery. As always, I'll be using my living room as a workshop for this project, which comes with a limited set of tools. And ever since the unfortunate incident with the drawing desk that turned half my apartment green, it now also comes with a limited range of permitted activities, as defined by the apartment committee. Basically, what I'm trying to say here is that I'll actually be sanding it down this time, and I'll be doing it outside. Now, the first cut is the deepest, they say, and mine was slightly off as well. The good thing though is that somewhere in this 15mm plywood lies my old habits, and I just need to find them. In fact, I'm estimating a 4.7% increase to my reading skills from this project, and after noticing my boards had been blessed with a new subscriber, I felt confident enough to get creative. So while I was searching for a way to drill straight holes for the wood pegs, I came across this rig on a woodworking channel and decided to give it a go. It was a pretty shaky affair, so I'm kinda hoping you'll forgive me for probably drilling too close to my fingers. I should also mention, even if it's painfully clear by now, that my background is not in woodworking, and although I do enjoy dabbling in it every once in a while, it's not really what I consider this video to be about. It's a bit hard to explain without sounding like a lecturing parent, but I'm feeling turbo pretentious today, so I'ma give it a go. In the novel To Kill a Mockingbird, there's a line that goes, "I never missed reading until I feared losing it. One does not love breathing." I've always loved that line, because it isn't just about reading, I don't think. It's pointing to something we all already know. That there are simple joys in life we take for granted until they're gone. And it's kind of the reason I began making videos in the first place. Because lately, I've started paying attention to the feeling I get when I try something new. Whether it's building a nightstand, or learning how to edit the video, or even the process of writing transcripts like this one. I'm noticing that it feels like one of the more meaningful ways I can spend my time. And somewhere over the last decade, that feeling sort of disappeared. I guess what I'm trying to say here is that if you find yourself feeling a little down, or maybe like you're in a bit of a rut, then trying out something completely different from what you're already good at can be an effective way to get back. Anyway, for the top, I'll be using an extended mousepad, which comes in a wide range of colors and was way more affordable than anything else I could find. It's easily cut into the shape I need, and it was pretty satisfying to work with. I should also mention that, as always, I've created a do-it-yourself guide that covers all the measurements I'm using, as well as cutting plans and some clear step-by-step illustrations for how to build it. You'll find the link in the description, and it's also available as a free download to my patrons. On that note... Okay, I'm super happy with how this went. Such a brilliant design by Andrew. I love how the light hits it from different angles, and such a simple geometry. Of course, there's a lot of inaccuracies from my side. Angles are off many places. Could probably do with a bit more sanding. But all in all, this was a really fun project to work on, and I can only recommend. Just to show you what I mean with the orientation, I actually built 2 of these. This one has a bit more severe angle problems, but anyway, if you enjoyed this project, then consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.